Hi everyone, my name is Teacher Alan. I plan and teach Living Technology, Home Economics, and Physical Education at National Nanke International Experimental High School. So, let me welcome you to the CLIL program of National Nanke International Experimental High School. Here's the Living Technology classroom, where students get access to information technology and resources to help them express their ideas innovatively and creatively. Students get to design, build, and practice learning many technical and useful skills through this lesson, which is well planned and designed to allow them to learn both content and language.
This is a portable fan and it's worked by the battery power, and it's very convenient because I can take it wherever I go, especially in summer.
The bilingual home economics class at National Nanke International Experimental High School offers our students an opportunity to adventure real-world learning, including life skills, building skills, and hands-on experiences that allows our students to connect their interests to careers. Besides their main topics, our course design has trained them other life skills, such as creativity skills, problem-solving skills, collaboration skills, and personal and social responsibility skills.
Yummy. Super. Yummy. Betty, what do you say?
In core economic class, we learn how to make DIY pillow.
I learned how to tie-dye for my DIY pillow.
I learned how to make cutlery bag. We learn how to make Christmas wreaths.
We enjoy our bilingual home economics class.
Yeah, oh my God. Boom, boom, beautiful.
2, 3. Your ear must touch your shoulder. 1, 2. So 3. Excellent. Now put your hand on your shoulder and we do shoulder rotation. 1, 2. Take it backwards. 1, 2, 3. Take the arm scissors. Arm. You go like scissors. Scissors. Right. Now let's do some casting.
Keep going, keep going, keep going.
Exercise 1. Hold the bowl like this. Hold the bowl. Okay? Okay.
And then I will try to hit here 10 times, like here. 2, 1, yes. 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. Good. 5. Nice. All right, go. See? Myself. Catch. I told.
Go. Come on, faster, faster, go! Cowboys, faster, faster, faster! Oh, 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 oh. Only one spot, all right?
Go pull, like this, right? But you don't want to be like that. You don't want to be like this. If you're like this, they will pull you so easy, so fast. Because you're only using your arms now. But this, I am using my body. And this is close to my body, like this. Alright, and I'm going to go like 1, 2, 1, 2, right? Now everyone follow me together. Left hand, go here. Quick, quick, left hand, go. Right, good. Right hand, go. Open your elbow. So you're going to be like this, okay? Not like that. Okay? Here. Here. Yep. That's right.
Good point. A, B, C, D. Okay? Like this. 1 minute. All right? Shoulder on the wall. Hold! Hold! Hold yourself. Good. Hold yourself. Nice.